Hi guys, and welcome to the Android Tutorial YouTube channel. Today we're gonna check out the Roomba 980 in action. I spilled a lot of coffee in the floor, so you could see that there is quite a big amount of coffee, and I'm going to activate it and make it go around like in this kind of way, circular, and hoping that it will pick up all the coffee, and we'll see how it ends up at the end. So here goes nothing. Okay, so as you could see, that was the spiral type of cleaning that the Roomba 980 has. It didn't pick up everything, as you could see from the footage here. It has a lot of grains all around it, but that's okay because that was the spiral. I didn't really use the 100% up and down cleaning, that it would go all through the floors and through all of it. So I am quite impressed. It's not the Roomba's fault that I just chose that specific one. So anyway, I do really like this product. I use it every single day, and I encourage you to buy one. If you have any questions about it, leave it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel, as that would help us a lot. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.